Asphalt shingles are more exciting than they first appear. They're the unsung heroes of home protection. Don't let their common appearance fool you. Modern shingles are technological marvels. They're engineered for durability, energy efficiency, and visual appeal. This guide takes you on a journey through the world of asphalt shingles. We'll uncover the secrets behind their manufacturing. We'll explore the different types available, and we'll equip you with the knowledge to make informed decisions about your roof. Whether you're a seasoned homeowner or a first-time buyer, understanding your roofing options is crucial. You need a roof that can withstand the elements and enhance your home's curb appeal. Let's dive in and explore the world of asphalt shingles together. Asphalt shingles are designed with multiple layers for strength and weather resistance. Understanding these layers helps you appreciate their functionality. It also allows you to choose the right shingle for your needs. The base layer is typically a fiberglass mat. This mat provides structural integrity and flexibility. Next comes a layer of asphalt. This asphalt is specially formulated to be waterproof and durable. It prevents water penetration and protects your home from the elements. Finally, the top layer consists of mineral granules. These granules come in a variety of colors and styles to enhance your home's curb appeal. They also provide protection from UV rays, extending the life of your roof. Fiberglass shingles dominate the market, and for good reason. They offer an excellent combination of affordability, durability, and fire resistance. These shingles feature a fiberglass mat core, making them lightweight yet strong. The fiberglass mat is coated with asphalt for waterproofing and then covered with mineral granules. Fiberglass shingles are available in a wide range of colors and styles. This allows them to complement any home's design. They are also relatively easy to install, making them a popular choice for both DIYers and professional roofers. When considering value for money, fiberglass shingles are a top contender. They offer reliable performance and peace of mind for homeowners. Organic shingles, also known as felt shingles, are the more traditional option. They were once the industry standard but have been largely replaced by fiberglass shingles. Unlike fiberglass shingles, organic shingles have a paper-based core saturated with asphalt. While they offer a more classic look and feel, organic shingles are less durable than their fiberglass counterparts. They tend to absorb moisture more readily, making them susceptible to warping, curling, and algae growth. However, organic shingles still have their place in specific applications. They offer a unique aesthetic appeal, particularly for historic homes or restorations. If you prefer a traditional look and your budget allows, organic shingles might be a suitable option. For homeowners seeking a premium roofing solution, architectural shingles are an excellent choice. These shingles, also known as laminated or dimensional shingles, offer enhanced aesthetics and performance. Architectural shingles are manufactured with a thicker, multi-layered design. This design creates a more dimensional and visually appealing roof. It mimics the look of wood shakes or slate tiles at a fraction of the cost. These shingles are also more durable than standard 3-tab shingles. They resist wind uplift, impact, and algae growth, providing long-lasting protection for your home. If you're looking for a high-end look and superior performance, architectural shingles are worth considering. The manufacturing process of asphalt shingles is a fascinating blend of technology and precision. It begins with the creation of the base layer, which can be either a fiberglass mat or a saturated felt paper. This base layer provides structural integrity to the shingle. Next, the base layer is coated with hot asphalt. This asphalt is specially formulated to be waterproof and durable, protecting your home from the elements. The final step involves applying mineral granules to the asphalt-coated base. These granules are available in a variety of colors and styles, adding visual appeal to your roof. They also protect the asphalt from UV rays, extending the life of the shingles. The manufacturing process ensures that each shingle meets strict quality standards for performance and longevity. Section 7. Eco-friendly shingles. Building a greener tomorrow. As environmental awareness grows, so does the demand for sustainable building materials. The roofing industry is responding with eco-friendly asphalt shingles. These shingles are manufactured using recycled materials and energy-efficient practices. Some shingles incorporate post-consumer recycled content, such as recycled paper or plastic. Others feature reflective granules that reduce the roof's surface temperature. This helps lower energy consumption and combat the urban heat island effect. Choosing eco-friendly shingles allows you to reduce your environmental footprint while enjoying the benefits of asphalt roofing. Look for shingles with certifications like Energy Star or Cool Roof Rating Council or CRRC for optimal energy efficiency. Section 8. Shingle installation, a step-by-step guide. Proper installation is crucial for the performance and longevity of your asphalt shingle roof. While it's always recommended to hire a qualified roofing contractor, understanding the installation process can help you make informed decisions. The first step involves preparing the roof deck. This includes ensuring a smooth and solid surface for shingle attachment. Next, a layer of underlayment is installed to provide an additional barrier against moisture. Starter shingles are then applied along the eaves and rakes to prevent shingle blow-off. Finally, the shingles are installed in overlapping rows, working from the bottom up. Proper flashing around chimneys, vents, and other roof penetrations ensures a watertight seal. Section 9. Practical tips for homeowners. Ensuring a successful roofing project. Choosing the right asphalt shingles is just the first step in ensuring a successful roofing project. The type of shingles you select can significantly impact the durability, appearance, and overall performance of your roof. Here are some practical tips to ensure a successful roofing project. Hire a reputable roofing contractor. This is perhaps the most crucial step in the entire process. A good contractor will not only provide quality workmanship, but also guide you through the selection process, helping you choose the best materials for your specific needs. Look for experienced professionals with proper licensing, insurance, and a proven track record. Check online reviews, ask for references, and don't hesitate to ask the contractor about their experience with similar projects. Get multiple quotes to ensure you're getting a fair price. Don't settle for the first quote you receive. Obtain multiple estimates to compare pricing and services. This will give you a better understanding of the market rate and help you identify any outliers. Be wary of quotes that are significantly lower than others, as they may indicate subpar materials or workmanship. Obtain multiple estimates to compare pricing and services. Make sure each quote includes a detailed breakdown of the costs, including materials, labor, and any additional fees. This will help you make an informed decision and avoid any unexpected expenses down the line. Understand the warranty. Ensure you understand the manufacturer's warranty on the shingles and the contractor's warranty on the installation. A good warranty can provide peace of mind and protect your investment in case of any issues. Ask the contractor to explain the terms and conditions of the warranty, including what is covered and for how long. Clearly communicate your expectations and preferences to the contractor, including color choices, ventilation requirements, and any special considerations. This will help ensure that the final result meets your needs and enhances the overall appearance of your home. Don't be afraid to ask questions or request changes if something doesn't look right. By following these tips, you can ensure a smooth and successful roofing project, giving you peace of mind for years to come. A well-executed roofing project not only protects your home from the elements, but also adds value and curb appeal. Take the time to plan carefully, choose the right materials and contractor, and communicate effectively to achieve the best possible outcome. Section 10. Asphalt shingles. The right choice for your home? Asphalt shingles have earned their place as a popular roofing material for their affordability, durability, and ease of installation. From traditional 3-tab shingles to premium architectural options, there's an asphalt shingle to suit every need and budget. When choosing asphalt shingles, consider your home's architectural style, your budget, and your desired level of energy efficiency. Explore the different types, colors, and styles available to find the perfect match for your home. Remember to hire a reputable roofing contractor for proper installation and enjoy the peace of mind that comes with a well-protected home. With the right information and careful planning, asphalt shingles can provide decades of reliable performance and enhance your home's curb appeal.